How to freeze your video on Alight Motion. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can freeze your video on Alight Motion. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Alight Motion app. After that, you can just choose on any project that you are working on. And after you open it up, what you'll then need to do is just choose a video. And right there, just head over to the point where you want to freeze it. So let's say I want to freeze the video right here. After I am there, just tap on this button, that is the clock button. And right there, you will see this slider. Just slide it towards the left side and put it on 0. After doing that, if you play it, you'll notice that now it does not move. And if I just go back again, and there you'll notice that now the video has frozen. Now what I can do to make it better is by just cutting this off. Let me just cut it off, and after you cut it off, you can just add that part at the end so that you can just freeze it. So let me show you what I did again. If I just get back here, and if I just split this into 2 parts. So let me show you how I split that into 2 parts. And after I split it into 2 parts, the second part, this part is gonna be frozen now. So let me just freeze this. And after doing that, if I just do that again, so here you go. Let me show it to you again. Now at the beginning, it should move and then it should freeze. And that's basically how you freeze your video in Alight Motion. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.